Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. In part 2 of our guide on Toyota oil sludge, we're focusing on prevention and maintenance tips to protect your Camry or Avalon. Ready to keep your engine healthy? Let's dive in. Toyota acknowledged the sludge issue in a 2002 internal memo and later extended warranties for affected models. Here's what they offered. 8-year unlimited mileage warranty for sludge-related engine damage on 1997-2002 Camrys and Avalons with the 1MZFE and 3MZFE engines. Repair reimbursements for some owners who paid out of pocket before the warranty extension. To qualify, owners had to prove they followed Toyota's maintenance schedule. Many found the process strict. Missing a single oil change could void coverage. If your Camry or Avalon falls in this range, dig up service records. Even if the warranty is long expired, proving consistent maintenance might help negotiate goodwill repairs with Toyota dealers. Preventive measures to avoid oil sludge. Oil sludge doesn't have to be inevitable. If you own a late 90s or early 2000s Camry or Avalon, a few key habits can keep your engine clean and running smoothly for years. Let's break down the best ways to prevent sludge before it starts. Regular oil changes with high-quality oil. The simplest defense against sludge is frequent oil changes. Toyota originally recommended intervals of 5,000 to 7,500 miles, but for these older models, stick to 3,000 to 5,000 miles, especially if you drive in stop-and-go traffic or harsh conditions. Use synthetic or high-mileage oil. Conventional oil breaks down faster, leaving behind more deposits. Synthetic oil resists heat better and keeps engines cleaner. Check the label. Look for oils labeled SL, SM, or SN, which have better detergents to fight sludge. Don't skip the filter. A cheap filter can't trap contaminants effectively. Stick with OEM or high-quality brands like Wix or Mobil 1. Think of oil changes like brushing your teeth, skip them, and problems build up fast. Engine flushes and additives. Engine flushes promise to clean sludge quickly, but they're controversial. Here's what to consider. Pros. A flush can help if sludge is mild, breaking up deposits before fresh oil circulates. Cons. Heavy sludge can clog oil passages during a flush, causing immediate damage. Some additives contain solvents that might harm seals. If you try a flush, use a mild formula like Liqui Moly engine flush and follow instructions exactly. Avoid cheap miracle additives. Stick to trusted brands like Seafoam or Techron. When in doubt, ask a mechanic. Severe sludge often needs manual cleaning. Driving habits and maintenance tips. How you drive impacts sludge buildup more than you might think. Avoid short trips. Engines need time to reach full temperature to burn off moisture and contaminants. If you mostly drive under 15 minutes, consider longer weekly drives. Reduce idling. Sitting in traffic isn't ideal, but excessive idling like warming up for 10+ minutes lets contaminants settle in the oil. Follow Toyota's maintenance schedule. Replace the PCV valve every 60,000 miles. It's cheap but critical for preventing sludge-friendly pressure buildup. A little extra care goes a long way. Your Camry or Avalon has already proven it can last. Help it stay that way. What to do if your engine has sludge. If your Toyota Camry or Avalon shows signs of sludge, don't panic, but don't ignore it either. Acting fast can save your engine from costly damage. Here's how to tackle sludge, whether you're handling minor cleanup at home or facing a major repair. DIY cleaning methods. For early-stage sludge, you might solve the problem without a mechanic. These methods work best if buildup is light and your engine still runs smoothly. Oil additives. Products like Seafoam or BG Moa can break down sludge when added to your oil. Run the engine for a short time, follow product instructions, then drain the oil. This won't fix severe cases, but it helps with maintenance. Manual cleaning. If sludge is visible under the oil cap, use a rag and plastic scraper to gently remove deposits. Avoid metal tools, they can scratch surfaces. Short interval oil changes. After cleaning, change the oil every 1,000 miles for the next 2 cycles. This flushes out loosened sludge before it reclogs passages. Note: if your engine already knocks or overheats, additives won't help. You're likely past the DIY phase. When to seek professional help? Sludge is sneaky. By the time symptoms are obvious, damage might already be done. Here's when to call a pro. Oil pressure warnings persist after changing oil. Engine noises knocking, ticking don't improve. Sludge coats internal parts like the timing cover or crankshaft seen through the oil fill hole. Poor performance continues despite fresh oil and filters. Mechanics use tools like borescopes to inspect sludge depth. Severe cases require engine disassembly. Removing the oil pan and valve covers to manually clean gunked-up parts. Oil passages flushed with solvents under pressure. Damaged parts replaced. Bearings, seals, or timing components worn by sludge. Waiting too long risks total engine failure. If your Toyota struggles to start or loses power, stop driving it. Cost estimates and repair options. Sludge repairs aren't cheap, but prices vary wildly based on damage. Here's what to expect. Basic oil flush. A shop flushes the engine with cleaning solvents. Only works for mild sludge. Partial engine cleaning. Covers removing the valve covers or oil pan to clean accessible areas. Full engine rebuild. Necessary if sludge destroyed bearings or scored cylinder walls. Used engine replacement. Often cheaper than rebuilding a badly damaged engine. For older Camrys and Avalons, weigh repair costs against the car's value. If repair bills near $3,000 and your Toyota has 200,000 plus miles, replacement might be smarter. Pro tip: always get a second opinion. Some shops recommend unnecessary flushes, while others underestimate damage. Ask for photo evidence of sludge before approving major work. Oil sludge in older Toyota Camry and Avalon models isn't just a nuisance. It can turn a reliable car into a ticking time bomb. If you drive a late 90s or early 2000s V6 Camry or Avalon, stay vigilant for symptoms like dark gunk under the oil cap, engine knocking, or frequent low oil pressure warnings. The best defense is simple. Regular oil changes with high-quality synthetic oil, shorter change intervals than Toyota originally recommended, and avoiding extreme idling or short trips. If you spot sludge early, a flush or additive might help, but don't delay if symptoms worsen. Severe cases need professional cleaning or even engine replacement. Toyota's extended warranty for this issue is long expired, but you can still protect your engine with consistent care. Your Camry or Avalon has already proven it can last. Give it the attention it deserves, and it'll keep running smoothly for years. If you haven't checked your oil lately, now's the time. Pop the hood and take a look. And if something seems off, don't wait. A quick trip to your mechanic could save you thousands down the road. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.